And as an individual investor myself, we see a lot of pain points when we want to invest in, let's say, a burgeoning startup or private debt or a hedge fund. Basically, for the rest of us, other than the ones in the private banks or the family offices, there's basically no access. So if you look around at the technology that we have today, and you ask yourself, is there a reason why that should be? And the answer is no. So we took a look at the technological solutions that we have today and said, look, there has to be a better way, a fairer way, a more equal playing field for investment opportunities for everyone, right? So I think that was really the genesis of it, right? This idea of fairness, equality, and equal opportunity to all manner of investments, allowing each of us to build just that better portfolio to generate more returns for us.
Okay, so that is your philosophy behind it. So obviously you're making the inaccessible now accessible to investors. Absolutely. And you're also bringing down the cost of investment. How much exactly do your customers save by doing it on your platform?
Well, we are at least 50, if not more, percent more efficient than the next viable alternative in the market today, right? So if you go through private brokers, even private banks for the high net worth, you're going to be charged, anywhere from, let's say, 2 to 5%, right? We are a fraction of that. And the reason why we can do that is by leveraging on technology to bring down the costs.
So essentially, you're taking away the middleman and you're allowing the investor himself to really manage his own funds, correct? He gets to make the final decision what to buy and what to sell.
Exactly right. And we provide an end-to-end solution, right? All the way from the initial subscription. We provide the custody service so you don't have to log on to an external custodian provider. We provide the secondary market trading opportunities with instant settlement, all that with the technology that we have.
You were the first, of course, to enter MAS FinTech regulatory sandbox. You've just completed your Series A funding. Tell us about the funding, who are your investors, and what are you likely to do with the new funding that you've just received?
Of course, we're very happy to have a very good suite of shareholders. When we first started out, we're very happy that SGX, the Singapore Exchange, and Heliconia, which is a unit of Temasek, came on board as seed investors. And subsequently, we got regional financial institutions like Patra in Thailand, Tokai Tokyo Financial Holdings from Japan, and Hanwha from Korea. So we're very happy that these very big, illustrious financial institutions have validated our approach and have come alongside for the journey. So with that, yeah.
Okay, so Darius, you're essentially launching this platform at a time when the markets are so volatile. Is that having any impact on your business?
Well, volatility itself brings risks, of course, but it brings about opportunities as well, right? So I think the end result is that we want to provide a platform that allows different sorts of investment opportunities to be brought online, right? To be made accessible. So there are different asset classes, there are different funds, there are different sort of investment products that will thrive actually in this sort of environment. And we aim to bring some of that to investors.